In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can remove silences from your audio for free in Davinci Resolve 20. So I'm here in Davinci Resolve, and as you can see, I have an audio layer which has lots of silences in between it. So what we can now do to remove this is select both the audio layer and your video layer, go to Clip, and then go to Audio Operations and choose Ripple Delete Silence. Now Ripple Delete Silence opens up a new window in which you can tweak what you're doing. As then we have the threshold for the volume. As you can see at the bottom here, you can see things changing, but normally it's set standard to -25, which is normally okay. Then we have the pre-head and the post-tail, which determines how much before and after window you have. As you can see, we have these red things changing here, and the post-tail, as you can see here, changes the beginning of the red center. And you can change that up however you like and what's best for you. And then the minimum to strip is just the minimum of frames that need to be stripped, which you can also change to your liking. And you can see the things changing here when you drag around with things. And when you're happy, you press remove. And as you can now see, Davinci Resolve has removed the silences from our audio just as we asked it to do and the way we adjusted it. And that's how you can easily remove the silences from your audio in Davinci Resolve in the free edition. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.